This is the 2020 Christmas tree of the Diamond Hotel lobby. Usually this time of the year is the Christmas tree lighting, and we used to perform here for the Christmas tree lighting, but now wala pang ilaw. Hitik na hitik. Ayan siya, very tall, very colorful. Let's go around the Christmas tree. There's horse, flowers, scale balls, Christmas balls, pearl studded crown. Ano pang meron? Unicorn. What else? Multicolored, very colorful. Grabe, ganda.